We're going to make a cherry blossom tree for spring. Today we're going to do a jigsaw puzzle. We need crayons, scissors, a pencil, your page 4 or 5, and glue. What we're going to do first is we're going to cut out along the edges. So only the square. When we're done, we'll have this cherry blossom. So we're going to go ahead and cut out. Okay, once you have your puzzle cut out, we're just going to turn it over and we'll be drawing on the back to start. I'm going to use a Sharpie to draw just so you can see it better. So once our puzzle is turned over, we're going to start by drawing the tree trunk. I'm going to go to the middle of the page and start on the left side. My trunk is going to come out a little. Right side, go down and out a little bit. Okay, then we're going to start making the branches. So I'm going to go up on one side, and I'm going to go up on the other side. So it looks like a funnel or a Y. Then I'm going to draw a line similar, and one in the middle. Another one. I'm making it a little bit wiggly. And then one more. Okay, so now we have the tree trunk and a few branches. Now we're going to make letter V's. So I'm going to slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is the leaves and the flowers of the tree. By doing little U's, we'll be able to get some nice fluffy looking branches. U's. I'm going to go over here and do some more U's. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come up and around with those curves. So now it looks kind of like C's. You can go down, you can make it fluffier. I'm going to come over here. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a few more of these. So I'm going to start here and do some C's coming down. Okay, so those are our branches, and then we're going to work on some zigzags on the bottom for grass. So these are like V's. We'll go up and we'll do a few more. And the last thing we're going to do, since it's spring and things are blooming, we're going to draw some ovals. These are going to be our flower blossoms coming off the tree. Okay, then these trees are really special. So they're actually pink. They look like they come from a Dr. Seuss book. So I'm going to color inside my little teeny tiny ovals. Make them pink, and also the fluffy branches. I'm trying to color in a circular motion. going to do my tree branches brown. Is going to be green on the bottom. Add some more color. And then if you'd like to take blue and put it in the background, mine is nice and broken, so I'm just going to rub it around in the background. Once you're done coloring, we're going to turn it over and we're going to do all of this very complex cutting. So make sure you're holding your scissors in your dominant hand, and your non-dominant hand is going to do the shifting of your paper. Take your time. These are really tricky shapes, so they should take us quite a while to finish cutting. A way to modify this, parents, would be to just cut portions. So the way I'm doing right now would turn out to be 3 shapes, or 3 puzzle pieces. And what I mean with this is, for our younger students, to just turn this over. We present these, and we want to go ahead and find where they go. So there's the middle of our tree, and then lining these up. But otherwise, we're going to keep going for our older kiddos, and we will cut all of the shapes. Puzzles are also a good way to talk about directionality, left side, right side. Then we're looking for straight corners, straight edges, top and bottom, and this will help us to address spatial relationships. So I'm gonna mix mine up. And then we know that we put grass on the bottom. So all my green pieces with green grass, I'm going to put them towards the bottom. And we should have sky up in the top. Sky and fluffy pink tree, right? Now a corner is a piece that has 2 straight edges. So we know that this is going to be a corner piece. Let me see if I can find other pieces that have 2 straight edges. Here's 1 and 2. That's probably a corner. On the bottom, here's 1, 2. 1 and 2. So since I have all my bottom ready, I'm going to go ahead and put my bottom together. Okay. Then I have my top. Can I find my top piece? Here it is. Then I need to get my straight edges. Oh, that one does go there. Straight edges. And see how this one fits. There it is. There's our beautiful cherry blossom tree for spring.